Hello and welcome, Katie here. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am back with another project for Imagine Crafts, and today we're going to make a summer card without saying it's summer. It allows you to use any sentiment, but palm trees scream summer to me. I'm fortunate enough, my husband and I, we get to live at the beach, and we have two big palm trees in our front yard, and we have one that we just put in on Mother's Day in our backyard. And so I thought this would be a great summer card. And of course, I've got a thinking of you sentiment on there, but it's a great neutral card that you can put any sentiment on. So we've got some hot press watercolor paper. I've primed that with some water. As you saw, I just was going back and forth. That was just clean, clear water. And now I'm coming in with the same technique, adding in some Dandelion firework spray. Now I'm going to come in with Ladybug. Ladybug's a bit orangey to me. So if you're wanting something a little bit redder, go with Love Letter. And again, same technique, but I'm trying to fade it towards the bottom there. I want a nice blend. And so once I add the Ladybug, I come back in with a little bit, I clean the brush, but then I come back in with a little bit of Dandelion and I fade back up, clean the brush, and then I'm going to come in with a little bit more Dandelion because I really want that yellow on the bottom. I want it to fade to that yellowy orange color. And now I've got a little bit of Rosebud to pinken up that top so that we get a nicer, deeper orangey, reddy, pinky fade down into the bottom of our panel. And again, same technique. I just keep going back and forth with the colors until I'm satisfied with the blend. And then I will use my hair dryer to heat set this and dry it completely. I keep it on the glass mat. It's just a hair dryer. I've got it on high, but this is just a hair dryer. And then you'll know because the edges kind of curl that it's totally dry. Now I went ahead and added some double-sided adhesive to the perimeter of the panel. I'm going to take this spray adhesive, which has become my best friend when it comes to intricate die cuts, and I'm going to use it on this SVG file that I cut out with my Cricut. If you're interested in getting this particular SVG file for free, in the description box below, if you've already got an account with Creative Fabrica, there'll be a direct link to this SVG file. You can go get it, download it, and it's yours. If you don't have an account with Creative Fabrica, but maybe it's something you're interested or you want to look into, I have a partnership with them. I'll link my partnership page in the description box below also. And you can go read about it, and it'll allow you to get 10 free downloads with commercial license. And then you can come back over here to this video and go directly to this SVG file and grab it for free. Okay, so I've sped this up a couple times, so my hands are moving a little quicker than they are in real life. But I was very steady and purposeful in applying these fine, because this is just a fine line frame with the palm tree. So I started with the bottom and then went on each side, straightening it out and adhering it down. The spray adhesive is very forgiving with that because it doesn't immediately tack down. You do have to press it down. So it gives you some time to be able to line things up where you need it. But I use some VersaFine Onyx Black ink to do my thinking of you stamping, and I love this golden shimmer with this sunset, sunrise, however you want to look at it. But that's going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure and check the description box below and take advantage of those free downloads. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.